Here's a quick and delicious Asian delicacy recipe for teriyaki chicken. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 2 tablespoons mirin, Japanese sweet rice wine or dry sherry. 2 tablespoons sake or rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons brown sugar or honey. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger. 1 tablespoon cornstarch, optional, for thickening. Sesame seeds and chopped green onions for garnish, optional. Instructions: in a bowl, mix together soy sauce, mirin, sake, or rice vinegar, brown sugar, or honey, sesame oil, minced garlic, and grated ginger to make the teriyaki sauce. Place the chicken pieces in a shallow dish or a resealable plastic bag. Pour half of the teriyaki sauce over the chicken, ensuring it's well coated. Marinate the chicken in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to infuse. Reserve the remaining sauce for later use. Heat a non-stick skillet or pan over medium-high heat. Add a bit of oil if needed. Once hot, add the marinated chicken pieces, discard the used marinade, and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chicken is fully cooked and browned on the edges. If you prefer a thicker sauce, mix the cornstarch with a tablespoon of water to create a slurry. Pour the reserved teriyaki sauce into the pan with the cooked chicken and add the cornstarch slurry. Cook, stirring constantly, until the sauce thickens and coats the chicken nicely. Once the sauce has thickened and the chicken is coated evenly, remove from heat. Serve the delicious teriyaki chicken hot, garnished with sesame seeds and chopped green onions if desired. It pairs well with steamed rice and steamed vegetables. This quick and flavorful teriyaki chicken recipe is a popular Asian dish that's loved for its savory, sweet flavors and can be prepared in a short amount of time, making it perfect for a delicious Asian delicacy.